Hello folks, Clinton Tyler coming to you guys on behalf of our Blessing group. And what you're looking at is some flyers I just had printed off that I'm getting ready to mail to these hot prospects that are looking for an opportunity to bless themselves and their families. And this is the envelope that I'm getting ready to place these flyers inside of. Folks, we're one of the only groups in this particular opportunity that has put together a system that's allowing you to print off and customize your flyers. As you can see here, I've customized mine, got my contact information there, and instructing them to give me a call or an email to let me know they're ready to go. And the system handles the rest. So I'm getting ready to show you guys the back office and show you how this thing can move for you if you plug in with our group. Stand by. Okay, I'm back. What you're looking at now is my back office, and these are the boards that I started on and that I'm currently on. The first $25 board, which is now retired, is where I came in. Here's me right down here in position 3. And on these boards in this particular activity, this level is considered the freshman level. This level here is the sophomore. This is the junior. And the senior is the #1 position at the top. And that's the position that everybody wants to get to start receiving gifts and blessings from these positions on the freshman level. First thing I want to point out is the space in between the 4 and the 5. You can come down. This side, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is separate from 4, 3, 2, and 1. So some of you may be familiar with the flowers or susus that have like 8 positions around the perimeter. Well, this is sort of the same concept, but it works totally different. Meaning this side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, has nothing to do with 5, 6, 7, and 8. If these 4 positions fill before 5, 6, 7, and 8 fills, this board splits and this side moves on. So the only person that really matters or cares about all these positions filling up is the person in the receiving position, because they are getting gifted or blessed from all these positions. But what happens on the other side doesn't stop one side from moving, unlike other activities where you can't go to another board until all these positions are filled. Well, that's different here. So okay, I started off right here in position 3. Once all these 4 positions filled up, this board split again. So let me close that and go to the next one. Okay, you see now I've moved to the sophomore position. Now I'm over here in position 3 on the sophomore position. Once again, I'm on this side over here. I have nothing to do with what's going on over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, in these positions over here. All these positions filled up, and mind you, these positions can get filled up from Charlene bringing a person in, and Jack can bring a person in, Red can bring a person in, I can bring a person in, Sinbad can bring a person in, and the person in position 1, the senior, can bring people in. So however these people come in, and mind you, people are always re-entering these boards as well. So however these positions get filled, once the 4 gets filled at whatever side you're on, it splits. So when all these positions filled, let me show you what happened to me on the next board. Remember, I'm now in the sophomore position, in position 3. So let me go to the next board. Now, as you see, I'm in position 1 on the junior level. Now, I'm on this side over here. I have nothing to do with what's going on at 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, once these last 2 positions are filled, 3 and 4, and like I said, that can come from Sinbad putting people here, Charlene, Jack, I can, Busy Man can, Thigh Nose can. However these last 2 positions get filled, people re-entering, once that happens, guess what? I will then move into the receiving position. Jack will move in my current position. Charlene will move over here in position 2 on the right side. And these 4 people will take these positions on the sophomore level. And it starts all over again. Now I'll be in the position #1 receiving $25 blessings or gifts from these next 8 people that come in, however they come in. And now, mind you, I'm also on the $100 board. You can be on 2, 3, 4 boards at the same time as long as your sponsor's on those boards. Now, I came in on the $100 board right here in position 6. Now, mind you, this side hasn't got anybody over there yet, but ours has, and it has filled. So guess what? We split. We move on. Your traditional flowers or susus that have perimeter positions, they won't move. You can't do anything until these positions are filled. But with this, it's different. Once all these 4 positions fill on the side that you're on, that board splits. So let's close this window and go to the next board. Now I'm here in position 2, in the sophomore position. And 2 more positions to fill, and I will then move into the junior position. So folks, this is really, really moving. I love the concept, and we are the only team that I know of in this activity that has a system in place that allows you to customize your flyers, mail to a mailing list that we've provided. You can get the envelopes on the site that we've provided. You can order those, and we just got a system in place. And not many people can say that they have a system in place for this activity, but we can, and it's working. So I just want to show you guys how the back office look, how the boards move, and how you can move from one position to the next onto another board, and then the next board, and the next board after this $100 board is the $500 board. So imagine, just say if it took a month for you to collect all your blessings and gifts on the $25 board and the $100 board. Remember, these boards work at the same time. That'll be $1,000 that you've been blessed in a month. Who couldn't use that? And not to mention, being blessed at the same time on the $500 level. So guys, this is something that you want to take a look at. You want to get back in touch with me on. Let's get in this thing. It's only 25 bucks, a total of 38 bucks to change your financial situation. And remember, when you give, you shall receive. So once again, Clinton Tyler coming to you guys on behalf of our blessing group. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Love you.